Hi, today we're going to go ahead and make some shrimp risotto. And this is a dish that I basically put my own type of ingredients into it. I want to take some shrimp and I'm going to put a little bit of salt on them and put this bowl to the side. Now I have deveined them and I have saved the shells, which is the tails, and I'm going to go ahead and put them into a pot. First, I'm going to put the butter in here, and please forgive me for my pot. It is not dirty, it's just old because I cook all the time. You know when you have your favorite pots and you just like use them over and over again? Anyway, I'm going to put some chicken bouillon sauce powder in there, and this will serve as a stock because I'm going to add just water to it later on. And I go ahead and also put a pinch of bay seasoning in there as well. Just a pinch. So you can just like basically just put some in your hand, in the palm of your hand, and just pinch it out and put it into the pot. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my shells, put them in the pot as well. This recipe is for 2 servings. Continue mixing it together. Add a teaspoon of dried basil leaves. In the meantime, I have an onion, which I've diced, and I will put that to the side. Now that the stock is finished boiling, I will remove it from the stove, place it in a strainer, and try to get all the flavor out of the shells into the bowl underneath the strainer. Now to the pan, I'm going to add about a tablespoon or 2 of butter. Into that, I'm going to take the diced onion that I had, and I'll put this in there as well. I want to saute it until it is a light golden brown. I go ahead and add the stock back into the pot. Then I take some garlic, about 2 garlic cloves, and with the garlic press, I'm going to mince out the garlic. Next, I go and put the stock back into the pan. I add the garlic, the minced garlic. I stir it. When it comes to a boil, I am then going to add the rice. And I'm using Arborio rice, about 1.5 cups. Turn down the heat. Let it simmer. Stir it consistently. Every few minutes, stir it again. When it starts to thicken up, I go ahead and add my shrimp to the mixture. And this is when the rice is halfway done. The last thing I'm going to add is some Parmesan cheese, probably about maybe 1/2 cup. This makes the rice even creamier. I put the top on and let it finish cooking. And this is the end result. Risotto and shrimp. Nice and creamy. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Until the next time, stay safe. I'll talk to you later. Bye.